Hey guys, back with another baking video. I found a lemon cake recipe, but I'm going to use the recipe, but I'm going to put my own little spill on it. And their recipe, the recipe that I found, they didn't add coconut or coconut extract. So let's get started. All-purpose flour. Half a cup of sugar. One teaspoon baking powder, baking soda. A fourth teaspoon of salt. Fourth cup coconut. Let's stir. Making sure it's well blended. Today I'm going to try to make this cake without pulling out my mixer. Without using my mixer. So let's see how it's going to go. All right, looks like it is well blended. So next thing we're going to do, add in 1 stick unsalted butter. Okay. Then we're going to add in 2 eggs. 2 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir, and I'll be back. Now I'm going to add in some coconut. Maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon coconut. I'm going to use the rest of this vanilla that's in here. I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon of this, but I'm just going to use the rest of it. That should be about 1 teaspoon. And then we're going to go ahead and add our pureed. Let me move this out the way. Your pureed pineapples. I'm going to dump that in there. And what you're noticing, there is no milk or heavy whipping cream or anything like that in this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this, and I'll be back. Cool. Okay, I'm back. It's well blended. Now, what I've done, I've already greased my pan. It's an 8x8 with this pan release for baking. Let's pour it in the pan. I've already set my oven to 350. And you're going to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. I will be back once the cake come out of the oven. It has been 40 minutes. I have taken the cake out of the oven. Here it is. Now let me cut. I want you guys to see the inside of the cake. Smells delicious. All right, here it is. Here's the cake. And this is how it looked on the inside. You see the, ooh, burnt myself. You see the coconut on the inside? Let's see. I'm going to try to do a little teeny taste test with just this much until it gets warm. It cools off some. Let's see. Let me taste another piece. That's pretty good. But because my blender broke, I have bigger chunks of pineapple in there. But the next, I'm going to have to buy me another blender, and I'm going to do this again. And I won't have those chunks. I don't know if you can see it. Those chunks of, that chunk of pineapple in there. Of course, I can taste the coconut I put in there. This is a very delicious cake. Very delicious. But anyway, guys, you be blessed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.